Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to install the Tusk Top Rack on your BMW 1300 GS. Now, these bikes, they do come with top racks from the factory. There's a few different options, but if you want something that's more durable with more surface area and tie down points, this is what you want. So anyone doing serious adventure riding, this is perfect, and it's going to work with or without the Tusk pannier racks as well. So with that being said, it's really simple to install. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is remove the 3 bolts on each side of the stock top rack. If your bike came with stock panniers, you're going to want to get those removed. Now, the 2 supplied button head Allen bolts that came in the kit are only going to be used if this needs to be done, and we cover all of that in our pannier rack video. So check that out if you need help getting to this point. For us, we already have these pannier racks installed with that stock top rack. So what we did is loosen up some of the hardware on this, and then we're going to remove those 3 bolts I just mentioned. And ours, we have spacers right here as well that need to come out. And this bolt is not going to be reused. And once you have those steps done on both sides, you can go ahead and remove the stock top rack. So right here we have the left side bracket for the top rack, and we have the 2 longer bolts that came in the kit, or 2 of the longer bolts. I'm going to use some blue Loctite on there. And these have those built-in spacers. Those are going to sit against this tailpiece of the bike. Then I'm going to raise the pannier rack up into place if you're using a pannier rack with it. If you're not, you're just going to install these bolts and thread them in, and we're going to leave all the hardware loose until we have everything mounted up, and we'll do all of our tightening as one of the last steps. So if you are running a pannier rack, you can go ahead and raise that up. Make sure the bolt's going through it. We're using the 55mm bolts that came with the panniers. If you're only installing the top rack, it's going to be the supplied 50mm bolts. We'll do the same steps for that forward mount and on the other side. Next, we're going to set this top rack in place. We've got these 4 tapered bolts. They're coming in through the top. Then we've got the 4 nylock nuts on the bottom. And we'll go back through and tighten down all of the hardware. That's how simple it is to install this Tusk Top Rack on your 1300 GS. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. If you need to pick one of these up, they're available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. So take advantage of that and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.